Most people believe their unhappiness comes from a lack of something, but that's not true. Sometimes happiness disappears the very moment we notice what we don't have. This story is not about wealth, it's not about success. It's about a man who was content until a single thought entered his mind. And once it did, nothing felt enough ever again. There was a man who lived a simple, steady life. He woke up early, worked honestly, and returned home each evening to a warm meal and familiar faces. He wasn't rich, but his nights were peaceful. His laughter was real, and his home felt light. One evening, while sitting with his neighbors, the conversation shifted. They began talking about progress, about growth, about how everyone should aim for more. Someone said casually, "If you're satisfied already, you'll never move forward." The words didn't seem dangerous at first, but they stayed with him. That night, as he lay in bed, a thought surfaced. What if I'm settling? The next morning, something felt different, not around him, but inside him. His house was the same, his work was the same, his family was the same. But his mind had changed. Suddenly, everything felt slightly insufficient. He started working longer hours, not because he needed to, but because he wanted to reach one more level. When his family asked for time, he felt irritated. When small expenses came up, they felt like obstacles. He began counting what he lacked instead of noticing what he already had. Slowly, conversations turned into complaints. Laughter turned into silence. Peace turned into pressure. And the strange part? Nothing had been taken away from him. Months later, someone from the same neighborhood noticed the change and asked, "Why do you look so tired these days?" He paused. For the first time, he realized something painful. He had been happier when his life was smaller because his mind was quieter. The truth is this: happiness doesn't disappear when life becomes difficult. It disappears when gratitude is replaced by comparison. The moment we chase just one more, the present stops feeling valuable. We don't lose joy because we have less. We lose it because we stop seeing what's already there. And often, by the time we realize it, the moment we were rushing past is already gone. If this story spoke to you, take a moment to notice what you already have today.